case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the United States District Court for the District of South Dakota heard the case of Homestake Mining Company v. United States Environmental Protection Agency, which centered on whether states have the authority to enforce their own stricter water quality standards without being overridden by the EPA. This came about after Homestake Mining Company vocally opposed South Dakota's stricter water quality standards, which were approved by the EPA. The plaintiff argued that economic and social factors were not taken into account when adopting these new standards. However, the court ruled in favor of South Dakota, stating that the state had the right to adopt stricter standards and the EPA could not disapprove them. The court also upheld the EPA's approval of the Cheyenne River Basin Plan. Homestake Mining Company received a National Pollution Discharge Elimination System (NPDES) permit, allowing them to continue discharging waste, albeit under certain limitations. The plaintiff argued that these restrictions were improperly implemented, pointing to the 1974 designation of Whitewood Creek as a cold-water permanent fishery affected by their waste discharge into Gold Run Creek. South Dakota revised its water quality standards in 1974 and again in 1977 with the approval of the EPA. Ultimately, the court granted the defendant's summary judgment motion, denied the plaintiff's motion, and upheld the EPA's approval of the Basin Plan. While the court preserved Homestake Mining Company's right to challenge the effluent limitation and NPDES permit, their attempt to invalidate the entire Basin Plan was seen as an effort to avoid compliance with the permit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.